This massive machine isn't just any forester, it's rewriting the rules of nature. With its giant caterpillars, the TL7450 traverses any terrain, grabbing a large tree and uprooting it in seconds. Its hydraulic power is so powerful that it shreds thick trunks like paper. The operator in the cab expertly fells hundreds of trees, operating the joystick as if playing a game. This machine is one of the world's most powerful timber transporters. With a massive load capacity of over 20 tons, it easily carries felled logs as if they were twigs. Its massive 8-wheeled body moves undeterred by mud, slopes, and rough terrain. Grabbing logs with millimeter precision using its hydraulic winch, this engineering marvel performs like a giant orchestra in the forest. This massive beast brings the raw power of its V8 engine to the heart of the forest. Its rotating steel saw cuts down a tree in seconds, and like a dragon, it rips the wood to shreds with a hail of sparks. Once this machine hits the scene, nothing stays the same. With its nearly 150 horsepower engine and massive track system, it moves smoothly over even the most challenging terrain. The powerful rotating drum at its front grinds down thick trees, brush, and roots in seconds. It's like a hurricane of flames sweeping through nature. This giant crawler-like structure moves relentlessly across even the steepest slopes. Its powerful hydraulic arm grips and cuts through massive tree trunks in a single move, like a metal claw that brings nature to its knees. The 522B's high-torque engine and robust cutting head transform the forest into a production line without sacrificing any speed. This massive machine, with its 300 horsepower, pulverizes trees, shrubs, and roots in seconds. Its rotating drum works like a symphony of hundreds of steel blades, mixing sawdust, dust, and power in the air. The operator in the operator's cab transforms nature into a playground. This machine stands out not for its power, but for its intelligence. It measures, grasps, and transforms complex wood masses into seamless pieces in the blink of an eye. Its synchronized internal mechanism operates with millimeter precision at every turn. Deep in the forest, when the Ecolog 688F's hydraulic arms are activated, massive trunks are transformed into piles of wood in seconds. This isn't just a tree felling operation, it's an incredible display of immense power combined with superior engineering. In a single movement, the machine grasps a large tree, clears every branch, cuts it to the exact size, and drops it to the ground. Penetrating the riskiest areas of forests and cities, this wheeled giant doesn't just cut down trees, it manipulates them with incredible precision and control. Thanks to its 13-meter reach and a hydraulic gripping system that acts like a human hand, the 718E can cut through massive trunks in seconds, gently lowering even a single branch to the ground without damaging the surrounding structure. This specially designed beast is an armored behemoth capable of safely navigating landmine-infested areas. Its thick steel hull and high-pressure drum system both clear the ground and eliminate the threat. With every turn, it secures layers of soil. With every advance, it makes a deadly area livable again. This machine works not to crush vegetation, but to reclaim the soil. Its massive drum with hundreds of steel blades spins at high speed, pulverizing brush, roots, and thick branches. The roar of the engine and the smell of sawdust mingle. The scene resembles a mechanical storm. A meticulous operator in the operator's cab directs the machine's power inch by inch. This giant turns even nature's harshest challenges into child's play. When its 800 horsepower engine kicks in, thick-trunked trees and dense vegetation are pulverized in seconds. Its wide drum and metal blades turn everything in its path into a cloud of dust. The ground is leveled, preparing the land for nature once again. This system alone gives a machine mastery of the forest. Hydraulic arms grasp the tree, sensors instantly measure, and the cutting blade engages with millimeter precision. The thick trunk is peeled, cut, and sectioned in seconds. Every movement is as precise as a surgeon's hand. This machine is a high-tech marvel that combines cutting power with intelligence. Its durable frame provides excellent stability in challenging terrain, and high-precision sensors in the arm system analyze each tree individually. When the operator issues a command, the machine performs the cutting, stripping, and measuring operations in seconds. This machine is one of the most perfect representatives of modern forestry, both in terms of intelligence and power. Its 8-wheeled structure navigates challenging slopes without losing stability, while the C44 boom and H7 cutting unit work together to cut down trees into precisely sized logs in seconds. Every stroke of the blade is like an engineering symphony. This machine represents the pinnacle of Swedish engineering in snow clearing and leveling. The M1650, with its compact body and unexpected power, ensures maximum efficiency even in tight spaces. Its wide blade sweeps the snow aside in a single sweep, leaving a smooth surface. Its hydraulic system instantly adjusts to the terrain, maintaining perfect balance every inch. This show machine transforms nature into a testing ground. It sets its sights and doesn't immediately act on its own initiative. It moves with control and intelligence. Its arms work with magical coordination, and cuts are made with millimetric precision. The machine captivates the audience with every move, sparks, clouds of sawdust, the roar of its engine, all at the right spot at the right moment. It's not its body that stands out, but its heart-throbbing power. Its powerful engine, thanks to its mechanical transmission, transmits energy directly to the crushing table without loss. With each revolution, its steel blades rotate with such force that nothing, not even branches, twigs, or roots, are left behind. Thanks to the machine's low ground pressure design, it doesn't exert pressure even on sensitive soils, working the soil as it is. This machine redraws the boundaries of nature. Its power lies not only in its function, but also in its character. Its highly engineered motor system conquers any thick trunk without slowing down. The drive mechanism maintains stability even on the most unstable terrain. Multi-action heads hidden in its arms handle the tasks of cutting, peeling, and shredding in a single pass.